Listen, the forest holds its breath. Every leaf, every needle, every branch, pausing, waiting. For me, for this moment, I touch the bark again, running my fingers over every crack, every groove. Fsh, fsh. It smells faintly of pine, of earth, of rain long past. The moss is soft, soft as velvet. I press my palm, and the tree seems to sigh, alive, watching. I walk along its length, 3 meters wide, 18 meters long, each step careful, mindful. The world outside ceases to exist. Only the log, only this secret, only me. I kneel. Shh. I start to work, softly, gently. Shk, shk. The saw moves slowly. Branches give way, fall, silently. Golden dust drifts down, catching the last sunlight. It swirls in the air, almost magical. I breathe it in, feel it settle on my skin. I start to dig. Chkik. The soil is rich, dark, wet, earthy. Every scoop, deeper, deeper. Shh. Listen. The earth whispers. Every grain falling softly. Fsh. A hidden room is being born beneath my hands. I carve walls. Talk, talk, talk. Feeling the vibrations, the wood responding. This tree does not resist. It accepts. It protects. A perfect rectangle, born from patience and care. Inside an ancient giant, alive, breathing. Shh. I continue. Downward now, under the roots, beneath the weight of centuries. I create a second hidden space. Secret, sacred. A room that no map, no human, no eye has ever seen. A place only touch, only breath, only heart can find. Psh, the trapdoor closes. Moss, bark, needles, gone, invisible. The forest forgets. Only I remember. I place my hand over it, feel the stillness. I strike a match. Shk. The tiny flame shivers. Fragile. Alive. I blow softly. The flame grows. Confident. Wood pops. Warmth spreads. The kettle hisses. Steam rises. Curling over my face. I pour the tea. Slow. Careful. The aroma fills the room. Rich. Earthy. Calming. I sip. Shh. Fire beside me. Tea in my hands. Heart slowing. The room is alive. Warm. Secret. Mine. I close my eyes and trace the walls with my fingertips. Every crack. Every moss patch. Every curve of wood. Perfect. Alive. Breathing. The tree remembers. The forest remembers. Only me. Only us. Shh. Listen. Outside, the forest is still, silent. Inside, my room hums quietly. Alive. Secret. Safe. I breathe slowly. Hands warm. Heart steady. The fire flickers. The tea warms. This place, this secret, it has waited for me. And now, it waits for you too.